In this video, I will show you step by step how to log in Banca Nazionale del Lavoro online. So guys, go to this Google search, click on this keyword. After that, click on this website. You will see this website. From here, you have two options here. You have customer number and PIN. Just write your customer number here, guys. For example, this one. This is my customer number, and then write your PIN, this is secret codes. This is how you can do on this web. Just go to Google and write Banca Nazionale del Lavoro online. Click the first result here, and then you will log in successfully. So friends, this is how you can do. It is easy steps. I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget to give like and share this video. You can also download this app on App Store or Play Store. You can access through this app on App Store, for example. Just download this app on App Store. Make sure this is on if you have the iOS system, and then you can log in successfully with your customer number and with your PIN. So friends, I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget to give like and share this video for more content.